What's up, my crypto legends? Welcome to another video. Please don't mind my outfit. I'm recording this on my laptop, so my broken nose looks really big on this camera, so yeah, with sunglasses it looks a lot smaller. Anyways guys, once more welcome to another video. In this video I'll be reviewing the best crypto auto faucet online called Fire Faucet. Okay guys, so first of all, let me say that you can join Fire Faucet by using the link in the description below. Thank you to everyone who have joined so far, and to everyone who will join, thank you so much guys, I love you, I kiss you on the forehead. Okay, the second thing that I want to say is for all the potential advertisers who want to promote this faucet, this is a really good faucet. It has a really good referral program, okay? I mean, if you have an active community, active referral community, then every crypto platform is worth promoting, but in my opinion, Fire Faucet is especially good, okay? So the referral payouts are like, they are not on like a weekly or monthly basis, they are basically like real time, live, okay? So I will show you one thing on the referral page. Okay, so just one thing that I wanted to tell you guys. So they have this referral chest, and this fills up to a maximum of $100, okay? So I just want to tell you to occasionally don't forget to claim this, okay, in case that you hit the $100, because every for additional earnings you will lose it, okay, if you don't claim it. So yeah, as I said, it has a really nice referral program. The earnings are basically live, so yeah, really nice, legit site, okay? Anyways, I have talked about this site already in the past on my channel. So this is basically an auto faucet, but they had some kind of a big update recently, okay? So the auto faucet got some kind of a redesign. There's some good things and probably some bad things. I will talk about it, but let's take a look at the actual text here, okay? So the same auto faucet that you love, you started, but here's the difference from before, okay? So now you don't even need to be on the tab anymore, you don't need to have the tab opened, so you can like start the auto faucet and you can turn off your laptop or PC and it will keep earning free crypto, okay? So that's a really good thing. Yeah, so here's like the image. Before, keep this tab open, now earns in the background, so you don't even need to have the tab open. That's a really good thing. Your ACP wallet balances, levels and happy hour all work exactly as before. So there's this new thing, this kind of a fuel thing. Basically this is like for free and this keeps refilling all the time. So I don't know why they even like made this possible. I'm not gonna go into analyzing this, probably because some people have been maybe, I don't know honestly why they put this fuel, okay? So there's also this new thing, they have this payout boost, 1 to 4 times. I will show that later when I'll be showing the faucet actually. So yeah, basically the higher boost you have, you will earn more free crypto, but you will also spend more ACP points. So, you know, if you are not in a hurry, then you are maybe better setting off the faucet on a lower payout, and you will actually spend less ACP, okay? But that's what I'm saying. I don't know how, I'm not going to be analyzing this because, you know, this is like a trade-off, like on one hand, if you have a lower payout boost, you will spend less ACP, but I don't know, then that sounds to me like you will also get more crypto. But actually you will get more crypto if you use a higher payout boost. So I don't know, I don't care, but anyways, it's legit, it's good. So there's still the happy hour, don't forget about this. This is a great thing. If you're claiming on this site, there's a 50% bonus every weekend, okay? Saturday and Sunday at 2 o'clock and in the morning and during the day, UTC time zone. But anyways, once more, now it can pay out even while you sleep. So with the new update, you don't need to have the PC turned on, you can just click it and turn it off, okay? So this is how the auto faucet looks now. So this is this fuel thing. This refills every hour. You can get more fuel by doing daily tasks, faucet cleans, and so on. But then is like one more thing also that I want to show you is there's a different ACP rate for every coin that you claim, okay? So as you can see, for Bitcoin you will receive for every claim 0.34 satoshis, but you will also need to spend 22 ACP points, okay? So I don't know, like, you know, for example, all of these cryptos that you can see here, they are consuming only one ACP. So that's Tether, Cardano, Dogecoin, Tron, Nano, Digibyte and USDC. So I have put all of those 7 cryptos here because that's consuming the least amount of ACP. But as I said, guys, like the way you want to use the faucet depends about you, okay? If you're in like a hurry, you have a lot of ACP points and you want to convert it as fast as possible to some cryptocurrency, then probably the 4x turbo boost is the best, okay? But as you can see, the 1x payout boost gives you more activity points every minute. That's also important for the level ups, because for every level up you will also get lots of new ACP points. So yeah, I don't know, I'm not going to be like trying to analyze what's the best strategy. You should just see this for yourself, okay? But yeah. Okay, I'm going to actually just start it so you can see. So yeah, now it says the auto faucet has started and you can see it here. I don't know if you can see it because I have changed the OBS settings, but here on the bottom, okay, I can open it like this. So here you can see now when I have started the auto faucet, it keeps claiming free crypto, okay? And it says actually on the bottom how much time you have left. So now for this settings that I have set it up, I have 12 more minutes of the auto faucet. But I'm going to stop it now. Okay. So I don't know if I should be talking about all the earning options for all the new users, but yeah, I have made one video in the past. It's basically really simple, okay? Don't forget to grab, first of all, don't forget to grab your daily bonus. This resets every 24 hours. Okay. So you get ACP, fuel, and so on. Don't forget to also, there's a faucet every 30 minutes. It says that you also get additional fuel for your first 10 claims every day. So yeah, this is also free ACP, free crypto every 30 minutes. Of course, they have an offer wall. I don't know if I should be spending time here. I have talked so much about these offer walls in the past, guys, but yeah, I hope that you all know this, okay? Don't forget to first like make a profile, a survey profile. You will need to complete a profile, and then based on that profile you will be getting additional surveys, okay? They have the best survey providers: BitLab, CPX Research, TRM Reach, Polfish, and so on, okay? I mean, if this is your first time hearing about this, put a little bit of work and research into this, because there's a lot of different ways of earning points, and every person has their own preferences, so you know, you should research this a little bit, okay? Furthermore, we have shortlinks. 77 shortlinks. Some of them are really easy, like this one, OUO. Let's complete it so I can show it also to the new people. This is a really easy shortlink where there's just one pop-up ad here, so I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna close the pop-up advertisement, and I'm gonna, okay, one more pop-up ad, and that's it. So this is a really super simple shortlink, 50 ACP, and don't forget the experience. for the level up, okay? Yeah, so this is like a fast shortcut to the surveys. And they also have PTC advertisements. So I really like this. I have talked about this before. They have like a scam advertisement category, okay? So yeah, I don't know how these people feel like when they make advertisements and then they get put in the scam section, but yeah, it is how it is. I really like this. Although, like sometimes, but yeah, most of the time they're really, the scam advertisements are 100% scam, but yeah, sometimes some of them can, like, you know, be here. But okay, the admins are doing a really good job, and I like this like flagged adverts section, okay? Yeah. Let's take just one more look here at this most recent notification. So 8th anniversary event starts soon. So as you can see, guys, this is a great site. It has been running already for 8 years long. It has been paying constantly, and it's just getting better, okay? It's not getting worse, so really good job to the site owners. They're really doing a really good job, okay? So yeah, there's the 8th year anniversary coming soon. In 10 hours, actually, okay? So this is like the first phase of the offerable event, and there's like an offerable bonus. Okay, so there will be a 30% bonus on all the offerables. Okay, I didn't actually see this. So a gift box is hidden somewhere on Fire Faucet. Find it, enter the code 8 years and claim 2500 ACP up to 30 times per day. This exact gift box is hidden somewhere on Fire Faucet. Tap it when you spot it. Bro, I didn't even see this. I need to click it. Spot the gift box. It hides on a different page or section of the site every day. Okay. Tap it and enter the code 8 years. Okay, this is gonna start in 10 hours. So this is starting in 10 hours. Really cool event. I like it, really nice. And they have a referral contest competition, okay? This is, as I said, guys, if you're an advertiser, Fire Faucet is a really good site for you, okay? Yeah, okay. Offerable competition also. So yeah, really nice event. As I said, guys, you can see they are doing special events for their anniversary, quality events, legit events, so really nice, okay? So there's the news page. So this is the most recent update that I was talking about. I'm just gonna scroll through here. So yeah, they have added Solana and USDC. This was not available before. Dash and Digibet will be removed. And I have claimed this, claim your gift, but I think this was already taken. First 10k users. Okay guys, let's go to the wallet tab. Okay, so they have two payment options. They have direct wallet withdrawals and FaucetPay withdrawals. FaucetPay withdrawals are processed within 8 hours and direct payments are paid at midnight UTC. Okay, they also have gift cards available. Yeah, no, this is for my country, Croatia. What are these cards? Okay, like IKEA cards and so on. Okay, so as you can see, I have collected $4. So this is like the minimum withdrawal amount for some of these cryptocurrencies, and I'm gonna do a direct wallet withdrawal. So guys, Yeah, I don't know if I have shown you the cryptocurrencies. So here you can see the cryptocurrencies that you can earn on this site. So you can earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, USDC, Solana, ADA, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Dash, Nano, Tron, Monero, Zcash, and DigiByte. But as you can see, not all of these cryptos support both payment options. So all of them support direct wallet withdrawals. But if you want to withdraw to FaucetPay, then you can withdraw only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Okay, and this is the lowest minimum withdrawal, just $3 for FaucetPay. But anyways, what did I withdraw in my last video? I think I have withdrawn Ethereum. So in this video I will actually withdraw some BNB. I will withdraw BNB to my Binance wallet. So in case you guys don't know how to do it, you just go to your Binance account. We select the BNB asset, and I think it's probably gonna be the BSC network. So let me see, I'm going to copy this. And okay, I'm gonna go withdraw. Okay, it's the BSC network, so remember that regarding BNB. So I need to add an address. Okay, I'm gonna click BNB. Fine, it's BNB BSC. And this is my address. Okay, link address. Oops, we've emailed you a confirmation link. Please check your inbox and click the link to finish adding this withdrawal address. Okay, here's the email. Just one thing, if you don't receive it in your inbox, make sure to check out the spam folder. Okay, so I just need to click confirm action. Okay, 2FA, I wasn't activating 2FA, just changing my wallet address. Let's go back to my wallet. So where was I? Withdraw BNB. Okay, so this is the address that I have added. Okay, I need to convert the crypto, exchange coins, exchange all currencies to BNB. No fees. That's also a really good thing. So you don't have to worry about what kind of crypto you are claiming. You can exchange all of them at no rates, so no worries regarding that. Okay. Okay, so it says now I have $4 worth of BNB. Let's make this withdrawal. And I will get 719k BNB Satoshis. That's it, I have input everything. Is this that address? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, your withdrawal request for 0.007 BNB has been successfully created and will be processed soon. So, in the next clip, I will show you the payment proof. Okay guys, so here's the payment proof. The payment has arrived the next day at 2 o'clock UTC time zone. So that's the payment time for direct wallet withdrawals. If you want to withdraw it to FaucetPay, then you will receive the payment even faster in less than 6 hours. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Join Fire Faucet through the link in the description below. Drop a like, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.